What's up, guys? It's Gaming Boy here, back with another video. Today I'll be playing Radamaga. Okay, today I'm gonna be playing Radamaga. This is a new game that I got like a couple weeks ago, and I want to show you the game out. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. It's loading. Also, by the way, guys, this game, by the way, I actually just got this game like two, 3 days ago, and my older brother Amora gave me this really OP stuff. So don't think, oh, you have this really OP stuff, you probably really good. But I'm actually not, because I only have 40 coins and 71 whatever. And no skins, so yeah. Let me claim this real quick. Much better. So if I die, yeah, my brother's gonna be really mad at me. Right there with all this OP stuff. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go nice little spectre. And okay. That guy does not look nice. Yeah, I don't think I want to fight that guy. I think I'm gonna go this way instead. Yeah, I'm good. I don't want. Yeah, I'm not in the mood to fight that. Okay, I'm not in the mood to fight that. Whatever it is. I know it's my bounty, but no sorry. Okay, this should be easy. Why are they changing? Weird though. Okay. Come on. Stop it. Oh, it's red beamers. Hey, where's my bounty? Yellow beamers. Oh no, not today. They tried to trick me with that. Okay, I'm not falling for that. Okay, maybe. Okay, I gotta go. Wish me good luck. Because I might not come out live. Oh, nope, I do not. I am not going over to that black. No, thank you. I hate the color black, if you didn't know. So I'm not going there, because I don't like the color black. Instead, I'm going to go to the forest maze. Where did the chipmunk go? There was a chipmunk. No, you make me confused. I'm out of control. Butterfly make me confused. What? There we go. Come here, bud. Do I wanna? I would rather not fight that guy. Oh. Ooh. There we go. I killed him. Now I am going back. If you don't mind. Going up here, and up here, and up here, and all the way back here. And back, and all the way here, and then back to the portal of cowardice. That was a weird adventure. What? Dang it. We got the portal. Let's go, boys. Yeah, cool. Oh, what's up, dude? What's up? Let me guess. He's gonna be in he's gonna be in an ice area. Oh, ice areas are tricky. I got my routine, but ready? Just in case if I need to. Okay, just in case. Why are you running? Yeah, get out of here. Oh, it's the Ghost King. That is the Ice King. Wait. Don't tell me this guy's gonna be in the black area. Do not. I swear if this guy's in the black area, I'm really gonna. Weaklings! Come to me, you weaklings! And let me kill you! Stop running to your other queens! I can handle this. This is pathetic. Now, come in, buddy. Ha! What's more? Taking this. Oh my goodness, not these stinking guys. I know what you guys are here for. Oh. See. Tough boss 1, boss enemies.